Well, I can't hear the little pecker now. But I've got a wooden house, you see. I've got this woodpecker. It's pecking on my house a couple times a day. And every time I'm like, who's at my door? Oh, I just missed him. Anyway, he was just pecking on that side now, that's the side my door's on. Stop knocking, buddy. Like, dude, I was a Jehovah's Witness. Nobody hates anyone knocking on a door more than I do. I'm like, who's here? Not me. He was just pecking. I just missed him. Did you hear that? Hear that? That's the fire. Go away. There's one on each side. I'm not crazy. That's debatable.